Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching, and today I wanted to share with you a very awesome homebrew game called No Bugs Allowed. And it's basically like a Call of Duty Zombies, but you're killing bugs instead. So you're killing them, racking up points, upgrading your weapons, and buying new ones. So it's a very awesome, smooth game. And this one was released back in 2012. And so in order for this game to work, you must be running custom firmware, and I highly recommend updating to the latest. And I'll have a video available for you in the description below later on. And so right now I'm running it on my PSP 1000 and it's working just fine. And I'm so happy that I came across this game. It's very awesome, very smooth. Love the graphics. It's very polished. I didn't really see a lot of bugs after playing for like 15-20 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started with downloading the game. And it's very simple, very basic. You want to just download it and install it into your game folder. So click on the first link and it will take you to moddb.com, and you want to use the download now link. And this threw me off, this tabletop playground. So there we go. It says click to download if it doesn't start automatically, or try another mirror. So it looks like it did download. And let me just clear my desktop there. So you're gonna get this NBA, not the National Basketball Association, but No Bugs Allowed. Let's close that out. And you want to use your extracting program to extract the file, because it's a zip file. And I'm gonna extract it to the desktop. There we go. And I'm gonna connect my PSP now to the PC. And I have to do a little bit of work here just because of Remote Joy Light. I have to like do it twice. There we go. Close that out and open up the folder here. And as you can see, you're gonna have the .pbp. Very tongue twister. And you're gonna have NBA folder, ID1 folder, and a readme. So let's go into our PSP folder, go to game, and you want to copy this folder in here, and you should be good to go. And now we can go back to our PSP, and I'm just gonna reset my device so we can get reconnected through Remote Joy Light. Really love this application. Hello tomorrow. And you should see it in your game folder. There it is, No Bugs Allowed Beta 2. It's a weird, I wish they did something with the wallpaper, but nothing is there. On the bottom right hand corner you can see like a little bit of red. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like it could be blood or something, but let's just run the application. Restart Remote Joy Light. There we go. There's my mouse. And now we have the PSP Kurok engine version 0.4. And this is just fine. You don't have to worry about anything here as long as it says welcome to NBA, press start. Now if you see that, you should be fine. Let's press start, and you're gonna go to the main menu, and you can see that it's version 0.40 at the top. On the side you have NBA Beta 2, and then your controls, confirm, cancel, keyboard, and menu, close, open. No Bugs Allowed on the background. It's kind of cool. Solo, multiplayer, options, help, and quit. We go into options, and it looks close to the Nazi Zombies homebrew game. It's very similar, but I didn't have to really do anything to run it. So let's just start the solo game, and we're gonna go to the helipad. Now the controls are a little bit different. You're gonna move around with like X and triangle Forward is triangle, and you can see the timer 4 3 2 1. I'm a little worried because the difficulty is a little crazy. These bugs are insanely powerful, and your health is on the bottom. I got 100 health, $50, and 8 bullets. Oh god, here we go. Okay, we got the first guy. As you can see, it runs great. Oh crap. Reload, man. Go back. And it's running really good. It's a really fun game. Oh god, there's 2. Die, you bastard. Run, dude. There's 3 of them. And I'm at 46 health. I'm just gonna run from these guys and look for some health. It's a really fun game. The controls is just what gets me. I get so damn confused on how to move, and you just gotta keep playing it and you'll get used to it, or just look around in the settings and see if you can change that. Did I get him? I think I got him. I'm just gonna keep moving. Let's reset. I think you have infinite ammo too, because you just keep reloading. I don't see where you could upgrade your weapons, but they're just gonna keep following me. And that's basically the whole map. Can I open this door? I don't think I can. Batteries at 58%, 1 hour and 46 minutes. That's pretty cool. Alright, I killed that guy. Here's the helipad. And there's the... I think those are supposed to be clouds. Oh, I think I saw an upgrade. Wait for the round to end. Oh, sucker. I think he's the last bug. But this reminds me a lot of like Starship Troopers. You know, you're trying to kill bugs and stuff, and they hate bugs, and bugs are not allowed, and stuff like that. It's kind of funny. But yeah, this is an awesome... Oh god, there's 2 of them, huh? Don't die, don't die. Oh, you're gonna die. I got 5 health. Shoot. Shoot, brother. He's coming for you. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, yep. Damn it. Well, that is it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Any questions whatsoever, comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this one. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.